Hey there, everybody. I am playing cards today. We're doing card tricks. We're having card games. I hope y'all are doing good. I wanted to show you a little something that I came up with using what I have to make things in this day and age when I'm just not getting out very much to, to craft stores and things like that. I also have a problem with Amazon. And I can't do that no more. I had to, I'm kidding y'all. I had to develop a budget for Amazon because I tell you, it's just too easy. That online shopping thing and that one click is like, oh my gosh. So today I wanted to experiment with some playing cards that I did purchase at a church yard sale a couple of weeks ago. And it was odd because I had some Happy Mail last week that also had some vintage items in it. And one of those was this 2004 sticker sheet that kind of went really well with these vintage cards that I got at the yard sale a couple of weeks ago. So I started working with them, and I thought that we would just kind of sit here and piddle around with them a little bit. And I'll show you what I did this morning, and I'll show you how I used elements from different places. So I had that 2004 sticker sheet, which I'm going to use. Then I had these vintage deck of cards that I bought. They were even sealed, and they were in a card rack that was definitely mid-century modern, right? So it looked really cool. So what I did was I took the cards and I kind of reimagined them on the front and added a little bit of washi tape, added a sticker, and then I put, had a quote bubble, and I added some Tim Holtz chit-chat words. And this one says Under the Stars, and it has like a cocktail with an umbrella. It looks like a strawberry daiquiri. That would be good right now. The Queen, King, Jack, and Ace cards. I didn't have an Ace card in here, but with those, I just added the quote bubble and a couple words. And I think this Queen really does want a simple life. The King just wants everybody to speak to him softly and not yell. And then I also made these, you guys. Let's go through the deck of cards first. So definitely card games were afoot here. I don't know about you guys, but I was not allowed to play cards when I was a little girl. That was not something that proper girls did, or proper boys, or proper people for that matter. So I never really learned to play card games at all. A Jack right here. Now I didn't put a quote on him. Let's do that right now. And I think I see one that might work. I think for him, he's probably a seeker of knowledge. So we'll just put that right there. That looks kind of cute. I mean, it's very weird, right? Which is kind of what I'm going for. I do like the kind of strange, so I like the way that looks. So we changed it just a little bit, but just enough. I also, Miss T sent me these super old vintage, oh my gosh, y'all, I don't even know what year this was, but it was a wedding sticker pack. And the stickers were like handmade stickers, so I can't even imagine how old this is. But I thought it just paired great with this tin of clubs. Is that what that is? That's clubs, right? I just thought it just looked really cool. Now, the original embellishments had fallen off of the felt jacket, so I did put some pearl buttons and just a little bit of bling up here, right there. And then I did put it in some recycled plastic because I didn't want it to fall apart there. Again, using the Casino 2004 Sandy Lion sticker designs. 16 years ago. Who would have thought that we'd be sitting here today working with it? Another little tribute to gambling and to Las Vegas. The last time I was in Las Vegas was 5 years ago. My brother-in-law was on tour with Aerosmith. I got to sit at the board at the Aerosmith show. It's so bittersweet because that was the last trip that my mama got to take with us. And now Las Vegas is different, and who knows if we'll ever go back. Again, this sticker pack, and I really did like the addition of this like washi tape that you would think would be Christmas-y, but it worked really good here. The 2004 sticker pack, this super vintage wedding sticker pack. This is a bottle of champagne, and it's got a little ribbon on it and a couple little pearls right there. So doesn't that look super cool? Then I did these. And these were just old sticker packs, these things right here. And I added more vintage stickers right there. So those turned out really well. This was very much trash to stash. Trash to stash. This one says celebrate. I thought that one turned out really good. Okay, let's just do a couple of these because they're just fun to work with. They are super slick though. That kind of they're slick. Makes them easy to drop. And when you are 62, you drop a lot of stuff all the freaking time, and it's kind of annoying. You take the top off your shampoo and you drop it. You take the top off your toothpaste and you drop it. You take the top off the mayonnaise jar and you drop it. It's like, gee whiz, man. All right, let's start because this was a good starting place. I really liked using the, and it's fast. You know how much I like fast. I like quick. I like flowy. I like creative. It's all about the go. I admire people who can spend hours and hours and hours and hours on something, but A, I ain't got the time, and B, I don't wanna. So there we go. All right, let's use one of our pieces from our casino pack. Don't you love the martini? I love the martini. So we're going to put that right here. And then I think we'll use these cherries. Either cherries or dies. I think cherries. There we go. And there we go. I mean, we've completely like redone this card. And it's, you can buy a deck of cards like in the pound store, Dollar Tree, you can get 2 packs already played cards for $1. And I think these were 25 cents at the churchyard sale. So that's fun. All right, let's do another one. There's something about the tape, y'all, that kind of helps pull the whole thing together. Let's do the tape this way. I'm not really fussed about covering up the suit. Isn't that what it is? Suits. This is a diamond, right? I'm serious. My mom did not let you, I mean, you just didn't play cards. You didn't even talk about it. It was like a big no-no. No. Not gonna do that. I'm gonna put dice up here. I'm amazed at the sticker pad. It's like, it's really adhesive. It works really, really well. All right, let's cover that up. And do we want to add the champagne bottle? Oh, heck, why not? let's add the champagne bottle. I am going to grab my glue out of here because that super vintage wedding sticker pack, it was pretty, yeah. So it's not cooperating with a glue stick. It says, no, 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 we're not doing that. We're not playing with you. It's like, okay. There we go. Oh, see, it's really hard to make it stick. But I'll just kind of set it to the side and we'll see if she'll give us a good result. All right, one more. And then we'll take care of our, what do you call this, king and queen cards? King, queen, jack, ace. Do they have a name? Face cards? Is that what they are? I hear y'all yelling. Oh boy, we're having a community yard sale tomorrow, and community being the key thing here. I'm kind of not in the mood, but okay. I'll try to be in the mood. Okay, you can see that this is a bit big, so I'm gonna have to chop a little bit off here, or just keep it, you know, why even it up? I'm going to take this heart and put it right here. I am pretty sure like the Dollar Tree would have you know, a casino assortment of stickers or card game assortment of stickers or something like that. It just matches really well with you know, with a deck of cards, which is a really inexpensive thing to work with. Okay, I think the queen over here, she is going to say, take it to heart, even though she's not the queen of hearts. I think, I'm gonna de-speech this bubble. And we'll use it like that. Now, here's the king. Wonder if instead of holding a sword, I could make him hold a champagne glass. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that didn't work out so good. Oh well, whatever. All right, let's do within my heart. So, you know, you don't have to use that speech bubble thing as a speech bubble. You can just use it as a kind of a double element there. There we go, friends. Okay, just a bit of silliness on a Friday afternoon because A, I'm hungry, B, I'm tired, and C, kind of don't want to do the yard sale thing, but I do have a few things to hopefully get rid of. So there we go, y'all. I'm not sure that champagne bottle's going to stay there, but I'm going to make it work. Don't worry. I'm going to make it work. She's not cooperating. All right, guys, go get you some playing cards, jazz them up with some stickers, jazz them up with some quote bubbles and words, and just have a blast. Don't gamble your life away. Play. Crafty play. That's where it's at. Thanks, y'all. See you soon. Bye.